come back here and jump on there. Watch your step, a little slippery. There you go. Gotcha. Here. You want to be part of the crew? So, captains. He's my captain today. He's wearing the red helmet.
I want them to stay there so I can come out after and go on the truck.
Got all the lane hoses up and downstairs and
How'd he go? Can you take us to the squishies first?
Huh?
Can you take us to the squishies first?
Wait.
Hey? Me and Grammy and me are gonna make our way over to the squishies.
Oh my god. What are they?
Squishy thingies. You can have one too. You can have one too. Ew, I hate those cupcakes. They're so gross.
Huh?
I hate those cupcakes. They're so gross. She's hoarding all the grapes. Did you just see her? She was taking out all the grapes from the bag. And she's like taking like millions of them off of them and eating them. Oh my god, blindy. Oh, you were. Don't try this one. So it should be down here. I'm pretty sure. Where do you think it is?
Makeup stuff?
No, the toy aisle.
Oh.
Get the squishies. What about the back? Do you know where it is? Oh yeah, I remember where it is. This is the normal Walmart. This is like all the things when you go down there. I'm dumb. Thank you, Mom.
Look at pigs over here.
You scared me. I didn't know where you were. I'm like, she's not following me. You scared me, Grammy. You're leather. You're a couch right now. You know why? Because you're made of leather.
Oh.
Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. This thing is a waste of money. I already bought it once. Well, I didn't bought it. Shauna bought it.
$100? I don't think so.
No, she did. We still have it downstairs in our basement. So squishies. Don't be in this aisle.
Oh. Look at this one.
Oh, all the craft aisles will be down here. Come here, Grammy.
Look.
Don't put you there. It'd be over here probably. Come here.
Ooh.
Maybe you love the toy aisle more than me. Wait a second.
we would get like the best one.
Where will it be?
What are you
I
looking
think
for?
I think it's down here. Why? Why do you make this right now? Let's return it. They wait all this year and now they're making all those stupid things like dresses and oh yeah, Sarah. Where's the squishies then? So liar.
They're neat.
Ask these people,
What?
people who work here, if they do you have any squishies?
Let's look over here until we find Daddy. Let's look at this stuff.
Grammy, I can't.
Where's that?
Oh, wait,
Where's that
wait.
thing down there? Let's go down here. Wait. Let me see
If
it.
there's any squishies.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Everything's gonna be gone.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I need to go ask that guy where the
Okay.
squishies are.
What is it? Squishy?
Squishies.
See, I have no idea what she's talking about. She wants some squishies or something.
There's like things called squishies, and I think they're here. Is there any things called squishies here?
I haven't seen anything called squishy. I have no idea what that is.
What do they look like? You silly.
Are they for girls or boys or?
Both.
What do they look like?
They're just little kind of shaped balls that have like little faces on them, and they're really squishy, kind of.
We'll find them. We'll find them. Thank you.
Well, you're wanting to look at the costumes. I already got my costume. You can't get any else. Hey, look at that.
That doesn't.
Well, let's go find Mia and then maybe she'll help
She
us.
doesn't know where they are.
Little balls.
They're little balls with faces on them. Called squishies.
That guy looked like Adam. Hey?
Look, there's one left. This is it. Oh
That's
my
it?
god. Shopkins squishies. Oh my god.
That's it?
God literally came to me. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Oh my god. Where are there more?
Wonder, somebody put it there. Let's go find. Let's go where the Shopkins are. Be down here.
No, they can't be right here. Could they be in here? Where all the green things are? See how cute they are and squishy.
Which are they?
Aren't they adorable?
Which are they?
They're, I don't know. I won't say the price.
Aww. This is so cute.
Big one, baby. So gotta be careful. If there's a new one.
Be around here somewhere.
Could be.
Up here maybe.
I want
There's Shopkins there. Maybe they're up there.
maybe. Nope. you sure they were bought anymore?
How come this one is?
Yeah.
How come that one's $12.47? That one's $17.94. It's the same thing.
If I get, no, we can just show him this.
He won't know. We'll look ourselves.
And they get this dress. Oh, that would be. There's absolutely no more.
Maybe that's the last one.
That can't be just the last one. You can just sell one.
Let's go find Mia.
No, she doesn't know where they are.
Squishy Pops. What are these?
They're just the same thing that you bought us. Remember those squishy thingies?
No?
They're these things that you bought